Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got this 2008 collector Barbie to show you. This is Tippi Hedren from the movie The Birds by Alfred Hitchcock. This is a black label doll, item L9633. The Birds was a horror film made back in the 1960s, a very popular show. These birds came and attacked this city, and this shows birds all over poor Tippi Hedren. She is a gorgeous look. These 1960s replica dolls are really, really nice. Her suit is gorgeous. It's a dress jacket combination with a belt, all made from the same fabric. These are reminiscent of the Barbie's fabrics and fashions that were made in the 1960s. And I really love the look on her. The birds, not so much. They're hard plastic. But they're part of the movie, so they're in the little scene. Her bag is also really nice. I think it's a faux leather. But it looks like a crocodile skin or snake skin. I like how it's got the fence and the grass in like 3D inside the box. She's got brown pointy toe pumps to match her bag. She's got this pretty gold bracelet on with a little bit of white on it. I don't know if that matches a bracelet from the scenes that she did. She's got a faint pale pink or peach fingernail polish on that matches her lips. She's a really beautiful doll. I'll come in closer so you can see her face. She's got pretty makeup on her eyes. Her eyes are brown. Her hair is done in an updo, 60s style. She's got gold earrings on. Her necklace is a gold chain. Very traditional style. Very traditional look. This, I think, is the schoolhouse in the background where the kids were in the movie. You can see all the birds up in the sky here. What a crazy movie this was. I've watched it several times. I do like old 60s movies, and this is one of my favorites. Now we're going to take a look at the box. I did take her out to clean the box up a bit. Over time, these boxes get dusty and need to be cleaned. So I keep her on the card, but put her right back in and then reseal it. It says Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. In 1963, Alfred Hitchcock, the master of suspense, gave us a tale of terror not soon forgotten. Completely unsettling, The Birds is set in the bucolic seaside village of Bodega Bay along the California coast. One day, Melanie Daniels comes to call with a pair of lovebirds for Mitch Brenner's sister. That afternoon, one seagull attacks, only the first in a series of ghastly, escalating incidents, nature's revenge, apocalyptic fable, or simple horror movie. Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds reveals some of the director's greatest images. Dressed in the recreation of the costume worn in an iconic scene, Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds Barbie doll celebrates the 45th anniversary of the acclaimed film. This is a black label doll. It's very collectible. She's gorgeous. Poor Tippi had to play scenes where birds were on her. I think most of these birds were fake, but I think sometimes they weren't. I've heard stories about some of the filming and things that, if they're true, probably not so good. But she was really great in the movie. I liked her a lot. She is Melanie Griffith's mother, and she was very beautiful. This doll is made in Indonesia. The box also has birds on the sides, some birds in the front. Very, very cool. I hope you liked my Tippi Hedren, the Birds Barbie doll. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.